Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today we have this problem. It's called remove elements. Given an integer array called nums and an integer value, and we want to remove all occurrences of the value val in nums in place. The order of the elements may be changed. Then return the number of the elements in nums which are not equal to val. Consider the number of elements in nums which are not equal to val be k. To get p accepted, you need to do the following things. We want to change the array nums such that the first k elements of the nums contain the elements which are not equal to val. The remaining element of nums are not important as well as the size of nums, and we want to return k. So for example, we have nums here, we have 3 and 3, and we want to return k, which will be 2 because we have 2. In this one, we want to have the value is 2, so we return all 2, and we want to return k, which will be 5 because the remaining is 5. So the way that we can solve this problem, we can use 2 pointers. One is to the current element, and the other one will be the previous element. So we try to create 2 pointers so we can compare both elements with each other, and each pointer will represent a specific index. So let's just create a variable counter, and this counter will represent the counter of the element of the element that doesn't equal val, and I will return it because this will be the most important thing. And after that, I will create a loop, and I'll say let I equals 0, I less than nums dot length, and I plus plus. Okay, and I will say if nums of I doesn't equal val, okay, if nums of I doesn't equal val, what should we do? Nums of counter will equals nums of I, and we go one step with the counter, we increase the counter plus plus. What's happening here? Let's just try to take this example. So we have this array and we have values 3. So we start in the looping, we said 2. Okay, does 2 equals value? No, this is not true. So nums of counter, which will be nums of 0, will equal nums of I. It will be the same, nothing will be changed. Okay, so we will leave it here. And oh no, sorry, let's make it 3. Sorry, let's make it 3. So the first one, I will say, is the first element equals value? Yeah, this is true. It's equals value. So we do nothing. So we continue looping, and we are right now in the second one here. I'm saying that if the first element equals value, this is not true. This doesn't work like that. It doesn't equal value. Okay, so it doesn't equal value. So nums of I, which will be the first element in the index 0, equals will equals nums of counter equals nums of I. So that this will equals 2, and counter will increase by 1. So counter will equals 1. Okay, and let's go here. Does the nums of I equals nums of value? It doesn't. So nums of counter will equals nums of I, so it will be 2 also, the same, and counter will be increased, so counter will be 2 right now. And when we reach this one, we're saying that does this element equals nums of value? Not true, so we continue, and we return to which will be the value of the remaining elements that doesn't equal to value to val. So yeah, that's it. It was a pretty straightforward, pretty easy solution. I hope you like my content. If you like my content, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. And there is something that I have recognized, that 90% of you are not subscriber to my channel, so please subscribe to the channel, because this has helped me and helped me grow my my work over and over. So yeah, that's it for this video, and see you in future problems.